The Amending Act of 1781, which was also known as the Act of Settlement, was passed by the British Parliament in 1781 to remove the defects of the Regulating Act of 1773. It is also known as Declaratory Act of 1781. The key provision of this act was to demarcate the relations between the Supreme Court and the Governor General in Council. This act isn't clearly mentioned or explained in the book, but I've seen many questions pertaining to this topic in several test series, so I'll just go ahead and explain this in detail to you all. One of the biggest problems created by the Regulating Act of 1773 was the tussle between the Supreme Court and the Governor General in Council. Both the bodies used to fight with each other over their jurisdiction. In fact, this is one of the problems that we witness in our country to this day. Yes, I'm talking about the separation of powers of the executive from the judiciary. So this Amendment Act basically curtailed powers of the Supreme Court and gave more powers to the Governor General in Council. How? Under the Regulating Act of 1773, the servants of the company came within the jurisdiction of the Supreme Court, and this brought them under the dual control of the Governor General in Council and the Supreme Court. The 1781 amendment exempted the actions of the public servants in their company in their official capacity from the jurisdiction of the Supreme Court. The Act also exempted revenue collectors, including zamindars, as well as the judicial officers of the company, from the jurisdiction of the Supreme Court. Basically, it allowed all the officials to behave lawlessly without caring much about the Supreme Court, as long as they were in the good books of the Governor General in Council. The Supreme Court's geographic jurisdiction became limited to only Calcutta. So keep this in mind. The so-called Supreme Court's jurisdiction did not extend to the whole of India, or even Bengal for that matter. It was just Calcutta at the time. The Act also asserted that Muslim cases should be determined by Mohammedan law and Hindu law should be applied in Hindu cases. This is a very important factoid to remember. Which act was it that segregated laws on communal lines? It was the Amending Act of 1781. The Act laid down that the appeals from the provincial courts could be taken to the Governor General in Council only and not to the Supreme Court. The more you read this act, the more you feel like the so-called Supreme Court was a token court. Don't you? The act also empowered the Governor General in Council to frame regulations for the provincial courts and the councils. The above discussion makes it very clear and evident that the Amending Act of 1781 was the first attempt in India towards the separation of the executive from the judiciary by defining the respective areas of jurisdiction, and that the powers were very, very biased towards the executive.